Hey y'all, my name is Caitlin and I'm in Beehive. It's been a great experience because it's an all-girl cast, so I feel very empowered being in the show, and it's songs that I grew up on and loved, so it didn't even feel like coming to work because literally just singing these types of songs is just so much fun. I like the trios, the girl trios, Then He Kissed Me and Be My Baby. Those are my favorite because we're just up there dancing and singing, and I like the lyrics, and I think it's just a little cute little number. Portraying Tina Turner is literally like one of my dreams because I literally love Tina Turner. She's from Nutbush, Tennessee, which is literally like 30 minutes away from my mom's hometown, and I grew up listening to her. I actually used to dress up as her as a kid, and just going deeper within Tina Turner and watching her interviews and watching performances I have never seen was really awesome too. And then portraying her on stage is even more delightful.